Meet the new BMW Z4, where sun-kissed adventures meet driving bliss. This soft-top roadster trades track-ready intensity for a more laid-back vibe, perfect for savoring scenic routes and soaking up the joy of driving. Hi, welcome back to NamCar channel. Today, we're going to talk about a Roadster, the 2025 BMW Z4. It isn't just a sports car, it's a thrilling experience on four wheels, designed to maximize your driving pleasure. Let's dive in. The big news is that the M40i can now be optioned with a 6-speed manual transmission, thanks to the new Handschalter package. This package not only adds the stick but also performance-enhancing parts like stiffer anti-roll bars and more aggressive wheels and tires. And BMW has tweaked the adaptive suspension settings and retuned the steering for improved road feel. The Z4's design is a perfect mix of elegance and aggression, with a bold kidney grille, sharp LED headlights, and muscular lines that emphasize its sporty character. The sleek profile and dynamic stance ensure it stands out, whether parked or in motion. Under the hood, the Z4 offers two engine options, a 2.0-liter turbocharged i4 with 255 horsepower, or a 3.0-liter turbocharged i6 delivering 382 horsepower. Both engines are paired with either a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic transmission, driving the rear wheels. The M40i's 0-60 miles per hour sprint in just 3.9 seconds is sure to impress, and despite the performance, fuel economy remains strong, with up to 33 miles per gallon on the highway for the base engine. The price of the 2025 BMW Z4 is expected to start around $55,225 and go up to $71,500 depending on the trim and options. That's a reasonable value, especially considering it's cheaper than its main rival, the Porsche 718 Boxster. The interior of the Z4 is where it really shines. You've got luxe materials, exceptional panel fitment, and excellent control placement. The seats are comfortable, with sizable bolsters to hold you in place when you're enjoying the Z4's dynamics. And there's more room inside than you might expect, even for taller drivers. The cloth roof seals tightly, and with the push of a button, it folds away in just a few seconds. The standard 10.3 inches touchscreen is intuitive and integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay. Although Android Auto is notably absent, the soft top roof is well insulated, making the cabin quiet even with the top up, and storage options are ample for a sports car. The Z4 comes with essential safety features like front automatic emergency braking and automatic high beams. For those seeking additional security, options include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and parking sensors. That's it for today's review of the 2025 BMW Z4. It's a roadster that's all about enjoying the drive with a soft top layout and strong performance. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews and content.